this is how you view all the active and listening ports on a Windows server using Windows Server 2016. In the lower left-hand corner, you want to click on the magnifying glass, type in CMD Charlie Michael David, press enter, and you want to type the command netstat space -a or netstat space -a, which is Nancy, Echo, Tango, Sam, Tango, Alpha, Tango, space -alpha. You'll get a lot of information here usually. On this machine, because it was rebooted recently, there are really no IP addresses outside of 192.168.204.128 and knowing that 127.0.0.1 is just the NIC port itself looping back. And again, we have 192.168.204.128. So relatively nothing listening here, but this is how you view the active and listening ports on a Windows server.